Good morning, students. Welcome to your daily math lesson. I am briefly going to go back and talk about the math vocabulary terms that we learned in the first week of school because we are going to be having a test about them on this Thursday, on the September 17th. Now, we're going to go over our terms. So, the first one I would like to talk about is this one. This is our plus sign, and what we do with him is that we put things together. So whatever our answer it is, it's going to be bigger than our add-ins. So our plus sign or add is going to be putting things together. Okay. And then for this problem, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now, we know what this guy is. He's the plus sign, the add sign. So we are going to put these two numbers together. But what are these two numbers called, the 3 and the 4? Those are our add-ins. And these add-ins are the two numbers in the problem to create a bigger number. So the 3 and the 4 are our add-ins. But you may ask, what is this entire problem right here? This is an addition equation. So the addition equation is the whole problem. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. That is our addition equation. Okay. Now, in the symbol between the 4 and the 7, that is our equal sign. And that usually equals our sum or answer. So the 7 is the sum or the answer. Okay. Now, we talked about more and fewer. So if we are looking at the numbers, for example, 10 and 8, which is more and which is fewer? So if we are going to go to our number line, and we're going to put 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, on the number line where it's 6 or below, that's going to be less. So that's going to be going towards 0, and those numbers are going to be very low. While on the right side of 8, for example, the numbers are getting higher. So if we look in the problem, the number on the right is 10, and then the number 8 is over here, and the 8 is closer to 0. So from looking at the number line, we can see 10 is more, so we'll use the symbol. 10 is more than 8 because 10 is farther from 0 on the number line. And the reason, and when we're doing more and greater than signs, I want you to picture this symbol is like a mouth. It wants to eat the bigger number because there's more in the number. So for example, would you want 10 pieces of cake or 8 pieces of cake? You want or the $10 or $8. You want the more than some. So you want to eat the greater number. Okay? And then for difference, that's when you're going to get a subtraction problem. So I'm going to use 8 minus 3 equals 5. So this guy right here is the minus sign, and that usually means to take things apart. So, for add-ins, we're putting things together, but in subtraction, we are taking things apart because 8 is bigger than 5 because 5 is fewer. So in the subtraction, you're going to get a answer that is less than the add-ins in the problem. But 8 minus 3 is 5, or you could say 8, or you could say the difference is 5 between the 8 and the 3. So 5 would be the difference. Like I said, we're going to be having a test on them on Thursday. If you have any questions, let me know. But you should be familiar with the add slash plus sign, the minus sign, difference, sum, addition equation, and etc. So let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to go over more of these words in detail. Thank you so much.